repairing and rejuvenating the body. Today, I am open for a healing, allowing my body to heal with ease, grace, and delight. I am grateful for my body. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, open and say thank you to your whole body for responding positively to perfect vibrance, energy, strength, vitality. Deep breath in and out. Mind, body, heart, spirit connected together. And we call upon your soul, your angels, and your healing team. Now, what part of your body would you like repaired, strengthened, and healed at 100%? Visualize that part of your body. And then we're asking the angels, and they are going to go into that part of your body. And you can see them like little angels or fairies or little workers. And they are there now, healing the tissues, the cells, the muscle, every cell, including the spaces in between. See, imagine, and feel them there, repairing, strengthening every cell, every tissue, every organ, every system to optimal health, vibrance, and vitality. See the healing taking place now, and you being filled with golden light, activating, strengthening, repairing. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Today, I say thank you, body. I love you. I appreciate you. I know that you have the capacity to heal and be strong, vibrant, alive, energized, so that I can feel good in my body, in my mind, in my heart, and in my emotions. I am open for this healing to take place with ease, grace, joy, and delight. I ask that my spinal column be aligned, my atlas be set at 100% with ease and grace. I ask that my acupuncture meridians are now open and flowing. I now ask that my proper blood flow is cleared and harmonized so that my heart circulates my blood flow through my entire body, harmonizing every cell, organ, system. I now ask for the aging process to be reversed and for rejuvenation frequency to be moved through my mind, body, heart, and each and every system and function of my body, mind, heart, spirit. Deep breath in and out, opening your mind, body, heart. Now see yourself doing something that you love to do, something physical. Could be riding a bicycle, walking on the beach, through the mountains, just moving, dancing, and feeling so good and grateful that you have had this beautiful healing today. See yourself playing, enjoying, feeling happy, healthy, enjoying every movement, breath, as your body is responding positively. Your mind focused, bright, alert, emotions full of love and gratitude. See and imagine a rainbow mist moving through you. A beautiful, calming, harmonizing rainbow mist moving through your mind, body, heart, aura, field, through the cells, muscles, hormones, thyroid, liver, kidneys, pancreas, tailbone, glutes, pubic bone, thighs, knees, calves, feet, toes, up through your heart, chest, shoulders, neck, head, face, eyes, ears, nose, skin, above you, around you, out, expanding through your aura, a beautiful rainbow mist, soft, calm, cool, harmonizing, strengthening, repairing, rejuvenating. Deep breath, alive, energy, passion, strength, and vitality. Whole body together. Whole body. Whole body. Harmonized with infinite intelligence. Golden light. Rainbow mist. Ready to go, to do, to accomplish, to enjoy this day as a blessing, as a gift. Say thank you as the angels continue to work on you, healing, strengthening, radiating every muscle, cell, organ, system throughout the entirety of your being, both inside and outside of your energy fields, through all time, space, and beyond. We thank you, thank you, thank you. And it is so. I am. I am. Deep breath.